अध्यक्ष आमकां म्हायती मेळ्ळी की तुमी आयज ऑन युअर हेल्थ ग्राउंड तुमी रेजिग्नेशन
No,
दिता.
I'm not giving him a health grant.
हां
Because I believe I have improved drastically.
हां
And I believe in the next 1 week I will be back to my good old self.
हां हां
I'm not. But I'm giving due to personal reasons. And I think I'll be relieved of a lot of responsibility that I have taken on my shoulders. And that's it.
पर्सनल म्हणल्यार पार्टी लेवलाचे पर्सनल.
No, I have no problem with the party. I will still continue to be a member of BJP. So I have no issue with the party.
So you are already leaving?
Whilst I talk to you, I'm still a cabinet minister. But once I talk to you, we'll send a letter to the chief minister's office because he's not in Goa.
So chief minister, may I तुम्ही?
No. But I'll meet him tomorrow.
Okay.
सडनली सर मध्येच असं डिसिजन.
I was toying with the idea for some time. And ultimately, I decided enough is enough and decided to put my papers.
There was any pressure on you for giving resignation?
No.
Willingly or there is any link of this reshuffle and your resignation?
No. No.
एक्सपिरियन्स कितें आशिल्लो?
Or I'm not aware of. I'm not even aware whether reshuffle is taking place. But yes, 2 people will be sworn in because there would be 2 vacancies.
आणि सर एक्सपिरियन्स कसो कितें आशिल्लो बीजेपी वांगडा मंत्री म्हणून?
BJP and Congress, there was a difference. And it's been a good experience. And I have to give credit to the Chief Minister because he's treated me very well. So I have no complaints vis-a-vis Dr. Pramod Singh. I believe we have done quite a lot. For example, the CZMP 2019. I think I had found certain anomalies, if I may call it, in 2011, which, after a long struggle, Government of India has accepted our suggestions, which was, according to me, one achievement. We have given a proposal vis-a-vis the ESA. I think we originally, if I remember the figure correctly, that identified some 89 or 100 villages, I don't remember exactly how many villages, that we've been able to bring down to 23. And I think that in itself is an achievement. And I have to put on record that we brought in a team which was highly qualified. Each one had his own speciality. And Government of India has also, the committee for identifying these eco-sensitive areas has appreciated the effort put into with whatever work we had done. I think we had circulated copies of the proposal also to some of your, so that was appreciated by Delhi. And I would say these were 2 immediate solutions or achievements. And whatever else we could do, I have tried my best. And that's it.
खंयचें अशें तुमकां काम दिसता जे तुमी अर्द्यार सोडचें पडटा तुमकां डिसिजना लागून?
I don't think there's anything major that I would be leaving halfway. I don't think.
As a minority MLA, is there a feeling of discomfort in BJP for minority MLA?
No, I've
because
said
earlier it was Nilesh Kabral who was gone, now you are. So is there any
No, there's a
feeling?
difference between me and Aleixo, in the sense that I have decided to quit. So I wouldn't put us apart. Now, who is going to replace me if you are trying to say that a Catholic replace a Catholic, I don't know. I think that is a question you have to pose to the Chief Minister. Because there are also Catholic MLAs. So maybe he would pick one of them.
You think that you will be replaced with a Catholic?
I don't know. I'm saying I don't know. I'm saying that this is a question you should pose to the Chief Minister.
What do you think about the Sankalp, who was one of the MLA who came with you in BJP?
Like that we were 8.
But he was a front runner for a ministership.
No, I can't comment on that. I will not comment. I'm again repeating that you should ask the Chief Minister. Because we don't know who is becoming a minister.
But you was comfortable with BJP?
I was comfortable with the Chief Minister and BJP.
Both, party and BJP.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
चवथ म्हणजे घरा सोयरी दायरी, फक्त बरो फराळ केलो म्हणून जायना, सोजून दोजून रावप तितलेच म्हत्वाचें. ताका लागून पेहनावा बाय मालविका बुटीक तुमच्या मुखार घेवन आयला वेगवेगळे आनी ट्रेंडिंग सलवार सूट. तुमकां मेळटले फेस्टिव्ह कलेक्शन, कॉटन कलेक्शन, कॉटन कॉट सेट, डेली वेअर कुर्ता आनी चवथी खातीर खास इंडो वेस्टर्न कलेक्शन. हांगा मेळटले वेस्टर्न गाऊन, समर गाऊन आनी खूब कितें. तशें तांचे कुर्ता रेंज सामके सवाय. ते सुरू जाता फक्त 500 रुपया सावन. आतां आयले जाल्यार तुमकां मेळटले 20% ऑफ. आतां वेळ करूं नाका, चवथीच्या पयलीं याद पेहनावा बाय मालविका बुटीक, ऑपोजिट बोडगेश्वर टेम्पल, भूषण बिल्डिंग हाऊस, ग्राउंड फ्लोर, नेक्स्ट टू सुविधा किचन, म्हापसा, गोवा.